because I've been traveling a lot here lately and I like to have some backup power when I need it. So I'm going to unbox it here for you guys. I did take it out and look at it and see what you get with it. So let me just show you exactly how these things work. And check that out. It has a little covering that goes over the lightning port there. It comes with 2 USB-C cables for charging, so it's a quick charge. And let me pull the other one out here. So you get a 2-pack, so you can either carry both with you or give one away as a gift, which is probably what I'm going to do. It looks like you get 2 USB-C cables. You get a little small manual there. Nothing with the manual, just some precautions. The protective cap. Wow, so you get some sort of little gift card there. So let me show you how this works. So you can mash this button right here, and I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but when you mash that button, it tells you how much power you have in your charge. So this one has 3 dots. It goes up to 4 dots for charging. Let me show you how this works. One thing that I do like is, so I got my iPhone 13 here, and I'm just going to plug it up. Setting here. You plug that in. As soon as I plug it up, it starts charging right away. So really nice. What I like about this is I can still use the phone while it's charging. You can see how the little cover just kind of like opens up there. So I can continue to use my phone. It's not hooked up to a wire. I can walk around, I can make phone calls, or I can sit here and text and use the phone. And there's the black one. Let me try the white one here. There you go. These things both work really well. And looking at the specs there, you've got a 5,000 milliamp capacity. The input is 5 volts, 2 amps max. The output is 5 volts, 2.4 amps max. And the total weight on this little package is 92 grams. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the Simsmel Pocket Power Bank 2-pack. Check it out. Thanks a lot, everybody. Catch you guys in the next video. Woo!